I'm sure that everybody here has heard the phrase that you are the average of the 5 closest people in your life. Now guys, they've actually done Harvard studies and there's up to a 57% chance that if your friend actually becomes obese, that you will also become obese. So it's very crucial, guys, the people who are in your life. And now, guys, I'm not the person who will actually tell you to be a lone wolf, anything like that. I think everyone needs people around them. Everyone needs friends around them. So today's video is how to actually make friends and how to know if they are a true, real friend, someone who really has your back, someone who can really help uplift you to become the best version of yourself possible. So without further ado, guys, let's get on with the video. What's up, guys? My name is Austin Wayne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, guys, if you're new to the channel, once again, please smash that subscribe button. I'm building an awesome community on this channel. Also, guys, be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Austin Wayne Official. I post some really sick content on that platform as well. Let's go. I have a confession to make, guys. I am absolutely terrible at making friends. My entire childhood, pretty much, like, my parents would actually be worried about me because I would have such a difficult time making friends. And I've always kind of had that lone wolf, like Sigma male, grind set type attitude when it comes to friendships. Like, oh, I don't need anyone, like I'm too good for friendship. When in reality, guys, my time in Ukraine of 8 months without any communication with other humans, no friends, the friends that I did have actually ghosted me during that time. I learned a lot about the value of friendship and how important it actually is for your mental health to have really good, healthy people in your life. So really, guys, recently, the past year or so, I kind of feel like a child again, man. Like, I've been learning how to make friends, like the best places to make really good friends, and pretty much how to actually build up these relationships rather than just ghosting people like I have in the past. You know, like, you work through any conflict resolution. You guys keep uplifting each other to achieve each other's goals and just become the best versions of yourselves. So that's what this video is about, guys. Just finding those people who can have such a positive impact on your life. So guys, for me, there's pretty much going to be certain levels of friendship, okay? So the first level, this is what everybody needs, and it's going to be having different friends for each and every event that may come up. So what this means is that you're not really getting too close with these people. If anything, they are more so acquaintances. Like, you know these people and you do specific things with them and they are a friend, but you're not like super intimate, you're not super close with them, you're not sharing your deepest, darkest secrets with these people. And now, guys, I think everyone needs friends like this, you know? So you have like the gym bros, like you have guys that you just go hit the gym with. Maybe you have some basketball friends, like just people to go shoot hoops with. Like, they are friends, but pretty much outside of that aspect, then obviously you're not really that tight. And obviously the best way to make friends like this, guys, is just going to those specific places. Like, if you want a new gym bro, guys, go to the gym, start exercising, and just start chatting up with different guys. Like, talk about their PRs, like ask them what they're hitting for that day. Just be chill, don't be weird about this, obviously. And then same thing, guys, like if you want to go out, maybe a night out, anything like that, then you can maybe have clubbing friends, people like this, you know, like people that you just hit up for very specific activities rather than being super close and intimate. So this will actually kind of keep that barrier to where even if they do have those bad habits, they really won't be impacting your life that much, because you're pretty much just having them at that specific role in your life. Now, like I said, guys, I think everyone needs friendships like this, at least at the base level, and then obviously it can get a little bit deeper than that. So guys, obviously the next level friendship would be just like a very close, intimate friendship. Someone that you can pretty much just be transparently yourself with, someone that you feel like you can tell anything about yourself and they will not judge you, and they really, truly just want the best for you. This is what a real friendship is, and finding people like this, especially as you're on your self-improvement journey, is going to be one of the hardest things in the world. I would put finding a good friendship up there with finding like the perfect wife. Like, it is going to be extremely difficult, because especially as you start improving, like as your physique starts improving, you start looking more like a Greek god, you start stacking up the bread, you start really just getting some wins, you start really doing some cool stuff in life. Most people will get very insecure of this. Most people will get very envious of this. Like, if you go out with one of your bros and you're getting more female attention than he is, a lot of guys will get very insecure about this. And like I've said, if they get insecure about this, if they try to bring you down passively, these are not your friends, man. You need friends who are always trying to level you up, and also vice versa. It's a two-way street, man. Now, like I said, guys, I believe that nobody should go the lone wolf route. This is actually one of the laws of power. It's pretty much you always want to have people around you, because if you go the lone wolf route, it's going to be very easy to attack you because you're going to be completely isolated. So it makes you much more vulnerable for attack. But if you always have people around you, if you're always blending into different crowds, into different friendship groups, it's going to be much more difficult to actually attack you. Now, guys, the best way to actually find this level of friendship is just going to be by doing you, man. By going down your self-improvement journey, by going to the gym, by going on adventures, and naturally, your frequency will attract your own tribe. So these people, these really deep, just intimate, close friendships, they will come across you, and it's going to be very rare. So if you find somebody like this, I would really try to cultivate that relationship, man, because that is very rare, and it's something that should be treasured and valued. Now, guys, for the second portion of this video, I have 5 ways to know if somebody is a real friend in your life. Number 1, guys, they support you, and they are genuinely happy for your accomplishments in life. So a true friend, whenever you tell them something, like you just accomplished something really good to you, and you really want somebody to share this information with. So you go to your friends, you tell them what you've done, and if they bring up maybe a story about how they achieved something better, or maybe even worse, like one of their friends who achieved something better, this is not a friend, man. Friends are going to be very excited, very hype whenever they see you actually getting wins. Even if it's a little bit above them, they're not going to get insecure, they're not going to get envious, because friendship is really just about that, man. It's about friendship. It's not always about you. That's how narcissists see it, man. That's how people who do not have your best interest are going to see it. So if friends really don't want to see you win, they are not your friend. Okay, guys, number 2, they are extremely loyal to you. It's always going to be the most basic bro slogan, bros before hoes. So if, for example, guys, the best way to know if someone's a real friend is they're always going to put you above most other people. So this means that if someone is trying to gossip about you, someone's trying to talk shit about you, they will defend your name even behind your back, and they will never say bad things behind your back as well, because someone who's doing that is obviously not a friend. Now, one way to know that they may be saying bad things behind your back is if they're constantly talking about other people, their other friends. If they're always saying bad shit about them, like to you, like behind their back, then they are saying the exact same thing about you to other people's backs, man. And also, guys, I would say, especially whenever women get involved, this is whenever you really see a friend's true colors. So if the chance to get pussy overcomes the friendship itself, and he pretty much pushes aside the friend, try to push down the friend, and pretty much just be a complete asshole, this is not a true friend, man. Once pussy really comes into play, you really know who your true friends are. So if they are still uplifting you, even whenever there's women around you, if they're trying to hype you up, and obviously vice versa, like you guys are just maybe telling some hype stories about one another and just really building both of each other's values up so the woman can also see it as well, then this is going to be a very good friend to keep in your life. Okay, guys, number 3 kind of goes based off of that, but they're always going to lift you up rather than push you down. So guys, pretty much anytime you spend time with someone, a friendship, anybody in your life, really, you kind of want to analyze how often they say good things about you versus negative things about you. If they are constantly saying passive things about you, trying to bring you down, just not a good person and not a good influence in your life, telling you that you're not able to accomplish certain things, this is not someone that is going to be a friend. A real friend is going to be very positive with you. They're going to tell you that you can do these certain things. They're going to lift you up, man. Even whenever you feel insecure about yourself, this is someone that you can kind of vent that out to. Like, hey, I'm feeling a little bit insecure about this. I'm not sure if I can accomplish this. This friend will actually help you up. They will help build up that confidence, because that's what friends do, man. It's all about just other people coming together and helping each other level each other up. Number 4, guys, they actually enjoy spending time with you, not just whenever it benefits them. So a lot of people, especially in this modern world, guys, they will only hit you up whenever they need something from you, whatever that may be. But if someone only hits you up whenever they need something, whatever that is to you, then this is not going to be a real friend. A real friend just wants to spend good quality time with you, because friendship obviously is that. It's just friendship, man. Like, it's not someone that you're trying to get something out of, just like everyone else kind of is in this modern world. It's just to have that friendship, that human connection with another human being. So this is one side to know that they are a true friend. Now, guys, the 5th way is how do you feel after you spend time with this person? Like, do you feel really good about yourself? Like, do you feel very confident? Do you feel like you can tackle the world after just spending some time with this friend, this group of friends, whoever it is? Or do you feel insecure? Do you feel like you were a little bit belittled? Do you feel like they were a little bit passive aggressive towards you? Do you feel like they might have been a little bit disrespectful? Those people are not going to be your friends, man. It's all about how you feel energetically after you leave this interaction. So if you feel really good, then these are going to be good people. If you feel really bad, then obviously these are not good people. Listen to your intuition, man. If your intuition is telling you that you feel really good around these people, listen to it and keep these people very close to you. Because people like this, like I said, they are very hard to come by. They're very rare individuals. So guys, everybody needs a good friendship group. I would suggest if you cannot find obviously that really good friend that you can tackle anything in life with, then obviously just start by getting those groups together. Have some gym bros, have some clubbing bros, have some basketball bros, whatever it is, guys. Have different bros and different friends for different things. Maybe some spiritual friends as well, whatever the situation may be. Then every now and then, you may actually have that very just close friendship with somebody, and those are always going to be quite sick as well. So guys, this is my video for you to tell you to go make a new friend, man. Go introduce yourself, have confidence, go talk to someone new, and be very open to inviting new people into your life. I've recently watched Sonic 2, and that's kind of actually the memo of the entire movie. I actually really enjoyed that movie. It's for children, but I freaking loved it. Now guys, completely random, but I am also a certified personal trainer, and I have achieved my dream physique just like this. And now guys, I also do online coaching, and I've helped hundreds of my personal one-on-one clients achieve similar results to where they look like male models, Greek gods, just like that, their dream bodies. So if you would actually like help achieving this dream physique, hit the link in the description box, guys, for your free one-on-one consultation with me, Austin Wayne, and I will help you get to this goal. Now guys, once again, if you're new to the channel, I would love it if you smash the subscribe button, building an awesome community on this channel, man. And then also guys, please like this video to push this video out into that YouTube algorithm. That's it, I'm gone. I love you guys so freaking much. Peace.